Welcoming you all. Today let's see how to prepare a soft and yummy Rava Paratha recipe which can be prepared in very few minutes. As you can see, the paratha is looking very soft and yummy and it can be prepared easily. Now let's get started. I have taken about 1 cup of Suji Rava or Semolina. Now let's powder it. In a kadai, boil 2 cups of water. Add salt to taste. Along with it 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the water starts to boil, add the powdered rava and mix it well. Mix it well until the rava doesn't stick to the side. Now turn off the flame and transfer it to another vessel. So along with this 1 cup of powdered rava, I am going to add about half a cup of wheat flour. So in this half a cup of wheat flour, set aside about 2 tablespoons of wheat flour so that we can use it while rolling out our parathas. For dusting we can use it. So set aside 2 tablespoons and add the remaining of the wheat flour to the rava and knead it. So add the wheat flour and knead it while the rava is a bit hot. So once the rava cools down, you can't knead it well. So knead it when the rava is little bit hot. So knead it well for few minutes. Now to prevent the dough from getting dry, I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil and knead it well. So the dough should be very soft. If you think your dough is a bit stiff, then you can add about 2 tablespoons of hot water and knead it well. So as you can see, the dough is looking very soft. Now prepare small balls out of this dough. So for this measurement that I have given today, about 10 parathas will come of medium size. So dust some wheat flour and roll it into a thin paratha. So now our paratha is ready. So place it on a hot tawa. So when one side is partially cooked, flip it on to other side. You can either use oil or ghee. As you can see, the paratha is looking fluffy and soft. So a simple and easy Rava Paratha is ready, which is completely different from our usual parathas. I have prepared vegetable kurma for this Rava Paratha. So try out this yummy and soft Rava Paratha and let us know your feedback. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.